Hey everyone, and welcome to ADT Learning. Today, we're diving into the world of something mysterious, exciting, and sometimes confusing, cryptocurrency. You've probably heard the terms Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, even HODL thrown around online. But what exactly is cryptocurrency? Is it real money? Should you invest in it? Don't worry, we'll break it all down for you in this video. What is cryptocurrency? Imagine money that exists only online, secured by complex codes and not controlled by any bank or government. That's essentially what cryptocurrency is. It's a digital asset designed to work as a medium of exchange, just like traditional currencies like dollars or euros. But instead of physical bills or coins, these transactions happen electronically using cryptography, hence the name cryptocurrency. How does it work? Now, this is where things get interesting. Cryptocurrencies rely on a technology called blockchain. Think of it as a giant, public ledger where every transaction is recorded and verified by a network of computers around the world. This decentralized system eliminates the need for a central authority, making it more secure and transparent. Different types of cryptocurrency. Just like there are different currencies in the real world, there are many different cryptocurrencies too. Bitcoin is the OG, the first and still the most well-known. Ethereum is another popular one, but it also has other uses beyond just being a currency. There are literally thousands of other cryptocurrencies out there, each with its own unique features and purposes. Is it a good investment? This is the million-dollar question, and honestly, there's no easy answer. The cryptocurrency market is highly volatile, meaning prices can fluctuate wildly. While some people have made fortunes investing in crypto, others have lost everything. If you're considering investing, do your research, understand the risks involved, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Should you use it for everyday purchases? While cryptocurrency adoption is growing, it's still not widely accepted for everyday purchases. However, some businesses are starting to accept it, and there are even debit cards that allow you to spend your crypto like regular cash. It's definitely something to keep an eye on, but for now, traditional currencies might be more convenient for your daily needs. The future of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is still in its early stages, but it has the potential to revolutionize the way we think about money and finance. Only time will tell what the future holds, but one thing's for sure, cryptocurrency is a fascinating and rapidly evolving space worth keeping an eye on. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the world of cryptocurrency. We hope this video helped you understand the basics. Remember, this is just a starting point. There's much more to learn about this exciting technology. Do your own research, stay informed, and who knows, maybe you'll be part of the future of finance. Like and subscribe for more informative videos.